tayo. Sabihin ko sana sa inyo na I'm cooking salad. I'm not cooking the whole salad. Ano lang, magluluto lang ako ng chicken para sa aking salad. Dapat pala ganun yung ano ko, yung pagkaka-explain. Si mama ko is not a salad eater. Philip is not a salad eater neither. Naturuan ko lang sila kung paano kumain ng salad by doing this. Kung hindi ka mahilig kumain ng salad and gusto mo mag-start, I think it's best to start with these ingredients. So, i-share ko sa inyo, no? Naglagay ako ng olive oil sa pan na halos hindi mo siya makita. Basta mabasa lang yung pan, like that. I have some chicken breast here na, kinat-cut ko na maliliit. And I will just put them in here. And then, anuhan ko lang yun siya, titimplahan ko lang siya ng oyster sauce. Kasi dapat konting-konti lang talaga. Konting oyster sauce. Maybe salt and pepper. It's up to you kung paano mo siya titimplahan. Kinabahan ako. Kala ko wala akong oyster sauce. So, ayan. Pag wala akong oyster sauce, kahit siguro konting-konting soy sauce, okay na yan. Ayan, lulutuin mo lang siya dyan. I like it with garlic crumbs or garlic powder. If you don't have it, hindi naman siya, necessary. Kumbaga, it's optional naman. While we're doing that, ipiprepare ko na yung aking vegetables. So, I have iceberg na lettuce. Iceberg ba tawag dito? Kasi yung local na lettuce na yung bilog. Ayan. Cut them like this, in big chunks. Ayan. Parang, lang yan eh. Parang nagka-cut ka lang ng, what do you call this? Cabbage. Ayan. Pero usually kami ni Mama, ang ginagawa namin dito, binabalatan lang namin yung kukunin yung per piece. Kaya mas madali siyang kainin kasi pag ganito. Ayan. So, nilagyan ko siya ng mga kamatis. Dapat mas manipis yung cut dito. Kaya lang magmamadali na ako. I only have 1 hour. And then, sunduan time na naman from school. And then, I have yung sobrang nidipis na cuts ng onions. As in, manipis lang siya. Ganyan lang siya manipis. Kailangan konting-konti lang. Kasi baka may mag-try si Lily. Hindi niya magustuhan yung onions na raw. Hindi na talaga siya magsasalad ulit. So, yan na siya. Usually, magtutubig yan siya and then, magdadry. Ganito yung gusto ko, yung talagang dry na siya. Ayan. Get some chicken and then, ihahalo natin siya dyan sa salad. Ayan. So, yan. Nagtira ako ng konting chicken dito. Actually, konti lang naman talaga siya kumain. So, mga ganyan. And then, nag-cut na ako ng mga broccoli and hinugasan ko na yan siya. And then, yan lang. Mix natin siya together. And then, lagyan ko siya ng konting butter. Hinaan lang yung apoy. Tapos, lalagyan ko siya ng butter para malasa yung konti lang yan. Para malasa yung broccoli. And hindi siya ganun ka-dry. And then, konting salt and pepper. Para magkalasa din yung broccoli. Ayan natin siya takpan para maluto yung broccoli evenly. Ayun lang, hindi ko na siya na-vlog. Pero ayun, naglagay ako ng mayonnaise. Hinintay ko na siya sa 2 bowl kasi hindi siya kasha. Ayan, and then nilagyan ko siya ng light mayo. Mabibili mo siya sa mga supermarket. Meron din natin yung ladies' choice na basta light. Okay din naman yung regular, pero kung gusto mo talaga na less calories and stuff like that, yung light yung bilhin mo. And ayan na siya. Ayan, medyo luto na rin yung pagkain ni Lily. Hindi ko na muna siya talagang nalutong-luto kasi medyo pa to. Medyo half-cook pa yung broccoli. Pero tatakpan natin yan. Para pagdating niya, pwede ko pa siyang initin and hindi malalata yung broccoli. Susundo pa tayo sa school. Pero anyway, ito na yung salad. Nahalo ko na siya. Pag naglagay kayo ng mayonnaise, baka mapadami. Konti lang muna ilagay mo. Kasi pag hinalo mo naman siya, dahil iceberg yung lettuce natin, nagtutubig yan siya. And then, meron pa tayong, tawag ito? Tomato na kamatis. So, pag hinalo mo siya together, magiging basang-basa din naman yan siya. So, okay lang na, So, dahan-dahan lang kasi baka mapa-over yung mayonnaise mo. So, ayan. Kain tayo. Hello. Okay. May batang nakauwi na. See you later!
See you later!
See you later. Mommy, just sing. See you later.
Stop singing. Stop.
Oh. Okay. Huh? Eh, may kipaglaro mo na kay Lily. Where do Mommy lay down? Doctor daw siya. Like, your turn. I'm the doctor now. We'll do activity today. Okay, wait a minute. No. Wait a minute. Just wait. Okay, what letter is this?
This is shoes.
What letter is that?
This is L.
L. What letter is this?
This is I.
What letter is this?
This is hexagon.
Hexagon? It's L.
This L.
What letter is this again?
This is L.
Then what letter is this? What letter is that?
This is Y. Where's this?
That's Lily. So what do what we do now is we get a stamp. We have to stamp the letter like this. Stamp like that. Lily, start.
Okay. Stamp. 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 Stamp.
Very good.
Stamp. Stamp.
Let me see. Wow, good
My
job.
turn.
Oh, your turn. Okay.
Barrel. Thank you. What letter is this?
That's letter O.
What letter is this?
I don't know. What letter is that? I'm not sure.
This is L.
Oh, it's L. Okay.
What letter is this?
That's letter D. Follow me.
Follow me, follow me, follow me.
Good job! Good job, look!
Look.
Medyo magulo lang. So, we got this, Disney Vampirina na box. I don't know. Saan mo namin ito nabili ito? I think nabili lang namin ito sa Market. And it contains 1 storybook, 1 activity book, 2 stickers sheets,
No.
and over 15 press outs, 1 fold out scene. With this, and it reminds me of nung bata tayo, meron tayo mga ano ba tawag doon? Parang doll, paper doll, ayun. So yun ang isa. Who's that?
This is a daddy.
That's a daddy, okay. 1 minute, Mommy's gonna fix it. Mommy will show you. And then it comes with this cutouts na na 1 minute. Pagagawin niya para makatayo. Di ba ganito yung natin, mga dollhouse? 1 minute, look. Mommy just need to fix it. There you go. What's that?
This is a daddy.
Where's Lily? Which one is Lily?
This is Lily.
You want the vampire one? That's Vampirina.
This is her.
She's a vampire. Mommy vampire, where are you?
Who are you? How do you do?
Brother vampire, where are you?
Who are you? How do you do?
Lily vampire, where are you?
Who are you?
Vincent Bumper, where are you?
Who will you? Who do you?
Hey.
Yes, sisters.
Sisters?
Come on, sing! Come on, sing, mommy. 1, 2, 3.
What should mommy sing?
Sing!
Sing what?
Please, please, mommy, please.
Okay, what do you want mommy to sing?
Do, sister, papa.
Oh, Sister Vampire, where are you?
Who are you? Who are you? How do you do?
The horn of a bus goes beep, 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 beep.
Tapos na kami maglaro ni Lily. It's, ano na ba? I think to 12:30. Yeah, 12:17. And, ayan. Kumain na rin siya ng kanyang lunch. Ayan na lang natira. Naubos talaga niya yung broccoli. Iniwan niya yung chicken. Kasi mahilig talaga siya sa broccoli. I don't know why.
Please listen.
Okay.
I'm so sleepy.
Are you sleepy? Ayan, nandito pa yung latag ko kagabi. Kasi, paggabi kasi, nagbago na kami, ano. Si Lily kasi usually, natutulog talaga siya mag-isa dito sa room niya. And that was fine. Kaya lang simula ng lumindol, tinatry ko talaga as much as possible, nakatabi na siya matulog. And then last night,
I'm sleepy.
okay, so every night, tinatry ko na doon siya patulugin sa room ko. Ayaw niya, gusto niya talaga dito. And then, pinatulog ko siya. So, in the middle of the night, kapag, ano na, patulog na ako, nililipat ko siya. So, alam ko na, you know, she's okay. Katabi ko siya in case of emergency. So, nakatulog na siya. Hindi ko na isip na possible na hindi niya naubos yung gatas niya. So, hindi niya naubos yung dede niya. So, pagpunta ko sa room niya to brush her teeth, yung kama, basang-basa. So, ginawa ko, binihisan ko siya, and then nililipat ko siya dito. And then dito siya natulog. She was fine with it. And then, in the middle of the night, ito na, ako naman yung patulog. Ginawa ko, i-move ko siya gano'n, nagising siya. And, paglipat namin doon, iyak siya ng iyak. Sabi niya, no, sleep here, no, sleep here. Sleep in Lily's room, sleep in Lily's room. Wait, are you sure? Sure daw. So, dito siya natulog kagabi. Ayaw kaya lang nung paghiga na niya, ayaw niya na ako paalisin. So, MD, naglatag ako ng comforter. Ayan. Tapos, yung isang unan niya na, ano to eh, ayan, yung unan niya na may pangalan niya, pang display ko lang yan usually. Ayan na, ginamit ko siya kagabi, hanggang sa nakatulog siya, and then lumipat ako. Pero siya lang kilala kong baby na ganyan na mas pipiliin niya pa talaga matulog mag-isa.
Right? It's right. Bye-bye. Mom. Bye-bye.